You are live on FK Academy channel. Let's see whether this sequence is arithmetic or geometric. Then we'll find the 18th term. We'll also see whether this is arithmetic or geometric. Then we'll find the 6th term. You can share this live stream so that your colleagues will join us for this discussion. So that is what we are going to do basically in this live section. So let's begin. But before that, remember that for arithmetic sequence, we have the nth term equal the first term plus n minus 1 times the common difference. But for geometric sequence, we have geometric progression or geometric sequence. We have u sub n be equal to a times r exponent n minus 1, where a is the first term and r is the common ratio. So this is the two things you have to take notice of. So if the sequence has a common ratio, then it is geometric. But if the sequence is having a common difference, then the sequence is arithmetic. So let's check for the first one. So we have the first question here. We can see that when you subtract this term from this term, what do you get? So we have d equal 4 over 3 minus 2 over 3. That will give us 4 minus 2. Since the denominators are the same, we have equivalent fractions. We have fractions with the same denominator, so we pick one. Don't add them, please. So we now subtract the numerator, and that will give us 2. Then let's say we are also finding the ratio. So r will be equal to 4 over 3 divided by 2 over 3. So this will be equal to, so we are checking whether it is a common ratio or a common difference. So we don't know yet. So this will give us 4 over 3 times 3 over 2. So you realize that 2 goes here 2 times, 3 cancels itself to give us 2. So let's go the next step again. We'll subtract this and this. So that will give us d to be equal to 2 minus 4 over 3. So the LCM is 3. So whatever is here is like over 1. The LCM is 3. So we have 1 goes into 3. That will give us 3 times 2 is 6. So we have 6 minus 4, which is 2 over 3. Then let's check again. We divide this by this. So we are checking. So we have this 2 divided by 4 over 3. And that will give us 2 times 3 over 4. So 2 goes into itself once, 2 goes into 4 2 times. So we have 3 over 2. So you can see that we don't have a common ratio. So it means the sequence here is arithmetic because we have a common difference. The difference here is common to the one here. So if that is the case, we can use this to find the 18th term. So the 18th term, with the 18th term, n will be equal to 18, where we said u sub n is equal to a plus n minus 1 times d. N equal 18. A will be equal to the very first term here, which is 2 over 3. Then d will be equal to 2 over 3. That is what we found. So the common difference is 2 over 3 as we found here. So we can now calculate the 18th term. So the 18th term will be u sub 18, u subscript 18, which is equal to a to be 2 over 3 plus 18 minus 1 times d, which is also 2 over 3. So times 2 over 3. So let's simplify. So this will simplify to 2 over 3 plus 17 times 2 over 3. So 17 times 2 is 34 over 3. So the LCM is going to be 3. So we are going to add the numerators, which is 2 plus 34. So that will give us 36 over 3, which is equal to 12. Therefore, the 18th term, u sub 18 is equal to 12. So if we continue this sequence, the 12th term, the 18th term will be 12. So let's now tackle the second question. Kindly share this live stream so that your colleagues will join us. Thank you for your support. So again, we have to determine whether this is geometric or arithmetic. So we check, we subtract d equal 24 minus 32. So we are checking whether there's going to be a common difference. 24 minus 32 will give us negative 8. Then d is equal to, we are checking to see whether there's a common difference. D is equal to 18 minus 24. 18 minus 24 will give us negative 6. So, is negative 6? Yeah, negative 6. So the difference is not common. It's not constant, or it's not, yeah, the difference is not common. So let's check to see whether the ratio will be common. So the ratio will be equal to this over this, 24 over 32. So you have to simplify it to see whether it is common or not. So let's say 6 will go into 24 4 times. Okay, 6 into 24 4 times. 6 cannot go into 32. So let's say 4 into 24 6 times, then 4 into 32 8 times. Then again 2 can go into 6 3 times, and it can go into 8 4 times. So the common difference is something like 3 over 4. Now let's check the second one too. 18 over 24. So 18 divided by 24. So let's see. Um, let's say 2 will go here 9 times, 2 will go here 12 times. 4 can go into 3 can go into 9 3 times, 3 can go into 12 4 times. So again, we are getting 3 over 4. So it means this sequence is geometric. So since it is geometric, it means we have the common ratio to be equal to 3 over 4. 3 over 4. So the common ratio is 3 over 4. We have the first term to be 32. And we are looking for the sixth term. So n is equal to 6. Recall, for a geometric sequence, use of n is equal to a times r exponent n minus 1. So let's fix in. We have u subscript 6. U subscript 6. And that is going to be a, which is 32, times r, which is 3 over 4, exponent n, which is 6, minus 1. So this will simplify to 32 times 3 over 4 exponent 5. So let's simplify. So 32 is the same as 2 exponent 5. So u sub 6 is equal to 2 exponent 5 times 3 over 4 exponent 5. So this is going to give me 2 times 3 over 4 all exponent 5. Therefore, 2 will go into itself 1, 2 will go into 4 2 times. Note that you can use this 4 here to cancel this 32. No, we don't do that. Because there is an exponent here that you have to clear before the 4 can have any impact on the 32. So order of operation, exponentiation comes before multiplication. So we are going to obtain 3 over 2 all exponent 5. So 3 over 2 exponent 5. 3 exponent 5 over 2 exponent 5. Loss of indices. So when we simplify this, we are obtaining 243 over 32. So let me write it here. Therefore, the sixth term u sub 6 is equal to 243 over 32. That is the sixth term. Thank you so much for connecting with us to discuss this problem. Keep bringing your comments, and thank you so much.